राम राम। आदि सद्गुरु, सर्वात्माओं के सद्गुरु, सर्व सृष्टि के सद्गुरु, सतगुरु सुखराम जी महाराज ने धन्य हो धन्य हो धन्य हो राम सभा में राम राम महाराज राम राम। Let's understand the meaning of the verse. All other methods are very easy. Adi Sadguru Sukhram Ji Maharaj says that while other methods are easy to follow, the path of devotion, means the worship to Paramatma, is extremely difficult. Controlling my intoxicated mind, which is the biggest obstacle to devotion, is a difficult task. Therefore, the path of devotion is indeed challenging for me. It is very difficult for me to cross the ocean of existence alone. Only if the Almighty Lord hears all my call and holds my hand will I be able to cross. Otherwise, I will never be able to cross the ocean of existence. Even if I have to work under a blacksmith for hammering it is easy for me, and even if I have to give away all my wealth and not even keep enough for food and drink, it is easy for me, and even if I have to face all the most difficult things in the world, it is easy for me. But the work of devotion is very difficult. Fighting to the death, stealing, robbing, facing the king's punishment, and going to jail, all these are easy for me, but devotion is difficult. Renouncing the pleasures of home, wife, son, daughter, kingdom, and wealth, and becoming a renunciate by shaving one's hand, all these methods are easy for me, but devotion is difficult. For me, it is easy to give up things that give me natural pleasure. It is also easy to give up sensual pleasures, but it is difficult to practice devotion that will help me cross the ocean of existence. Reciting various mantras, controlling the five senses, troubling the body by visiting 68 pilgrimage sites, practicing celibacy, and wearing the garb of a sadhu, means piercing ears, such as piercing ears and putting on earrings, tying a lingam around the neck, applying ashes on the body, wearing a rudraksha garland, plucking hair, wearing mask on the face, and performing animal sacrifices, wearing saffron clothes, circumcising, wearing green clothes, growing dreadlocks, wearing a holy thread, etc. are all easy for me, but devotion is difficult. Jumping into the fire, turn the body into ashes, and bearing the heaviest of punishments from the king, even having slippers and shoes placed on my head to dishonor me, all of these are easy for me, but performing devotion is difficult. In all these methods, even if there is much resistance from the mind, I can bear that resistance easily. But devotion is very difficult for me. Adi Sadguru Sukhram Ji Maharaj says, it is very difficult for me to control my mind, which has become intoxicated like a mad elephant that comes in the way of devotion. Therefore, devotion seems very difficult to me. Ram Ram.